collector. Today we're going to be reviewing Mike Wazowski, which he's flipped. That's how long I had him for. And this pit crew member Fillmore for a while now. And I need to bring a variant for Fillmore. Mike, there's really nothing I can compare him to, so I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and I got Fillmore to compare him to pit crew member Fillmore. And for Mike, I just brought Luigi, because there's really nothing I can compare him to. He's tiny, Luigi's tiny. So yeah, now first we should unbox Mike. So I'm going to be unboxing Mike. Back then these were hard to open, but now since this is a blister, it's not that really hard to open, but it's still hard to open. Got his blister out. There's Mike. He's very, very small. And here's Mike compared to Luigi. He's smaller than Luigi, and his horns are a very nice detail. You can see that if I put them like right next to each other there, you can see that Luigi's right here is more bigger, and he's even small. So Mike is even smaller, which is really, it looks like really accurate. No, they made a China variant, but I don't have it. Nor do I have a China Fillmore because I don't know. And his packaging, I did it really, really nice. But as you could see there, there's like Luigi Guido watching, just plain picture of Mike. He looks really, really good. Look at his grinning though. It scares me. He's like, he has one eye like in the movie. He has a little window back there. He has his horns. One right there, and the other one he has his windows in his horns. Green ball wheels. Yeah, it looks like the picture one, but this one's more darker green. Picture is a lighter green, and we can see that in camera. So yeah, we got Mike, and now we gotta do pit crew member Fillmore, which he just wanted to come out. I opened it a little clean, but not that clean. Like this side, not clean. The other side was clean. So yeah. He looks really, really nice. There's the back of him. Looks different. This one's Vietnam, right? Yeah, this is Vietnam. This is Thailand. Looking in the back, Vietnam has like not more greenier decals with. Decals with Thailand. This is more like a lighter yellow. This is like more faded. Well, it's because it's Vietnam. I don't have a Thailand Fillmore. But maybe I do. One sec. Let me grab it. Is this? Yeah, this is a Thailand Fillmore. I got this. I don't have a regular Thailand Fillmore. So yeah, so Vietnam, get out of here. There he goes. The back. Now the back looks similar, very, very similar. This is the one that came with the pack with Pit Crew Mater. So ignore the 95 in the headset. Then it'll be a normal Fillmore. Does he have? Guys, do you know what that is? That black thing on his thing. Yeah, now it looks pretty much the same. I like this one expression because let's bring the Vietnam one back. This one's more alive looking. This one's more like in a bad mood. Or not really bad mood, like a happy mood, but like looks tired. This one's in a happy mood too. Looks like the same expression, like they didn't really have to do anything, just take out the headset. Literally though, take out the headset, replace it with this, and then boom, take out the 95 and boom, you get a normal Pit Crew Fillmore. Comes with a thing, I'm trying to see, I think it says Dynaco right there, like the white, I think it says Dynaco. Try and take it out. Yeah, like Dynaco bottles that you can drink. So there, I think we finished it. Maybe we should unbox one more thing. Maybe one more. Let's see what I got. Yeah, we can unbox one more thing. Okay, this is squeaking. It's my floor. Squeaks so loudly though. There we got Sally, Pixar Fest. I think this video is only 5 minutes long, so why not just open one more car. We've got, oh wow, I think, yeah, this is the last one I needed. Then I have all the Pixar Fest. Looks really, really shiny. It looks really, really nice. Yeah. Did I get another Sally to compare her? It's really hard to see if there's any scratches. Yeah, it's like metal there. I think that's like in the review mirrors. See like some silver. Maybe that's in the cube. Because whenever you scratch car, silver. Or like the casting. Career on the back. Pixar ball and a lamp right there. Pixar ball, it says Pixar on it. Yeah, it looks really, really good. And this is like the nice expression. I like the one that they sell now. The blue Sally with that just robotic looking expression. So yeah. So the cars are unboxed today. A nice addition to my collection, which is, this is like an empty shelf for like other vehicles once I get like more. And this is like all my filled shelves of diecast. And those are my Winnie the Poohs. That's my closet. And over here is my mini racers are right there. Yeah, it's like my whole room though. And my Winnie the Poohs. But yeah, really, really nice. If I had to rate them, Mike will probably be last. Yeah, probably where I had them right now. So yeah, I boxed all these cars. So look at, okay, look at Mike though. I like this packaging. It looks really, really nice. So bye guys, thanks for watching another video of the Rusty's Collector. Bye. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention that I have everybody in the driving series except Flick. I'll pop him up on the screen. He'll be right there. So yeah, thanks for watching another video of the Rusty's Collector. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.